Just feeling and sensing in to the present moment. With all of what it brings. As 2023 is coming to a close, maybe you're a bit like me, and you're a bit reflective and think about the kind of year you've had, and you reflect on that year, on its ups and its downs. When you live a life of spirit, a life toward spirit in action, or living, as I say, with truth and love, like wings of a bird, where one wing is the truth and the other wing is love, and that's how the bird flies. When you live like that, life presents you with unique opportunities to practice both truth and love. Whether you've had it easy or you've had it a bit rough. Either way, when we lean into our life like this, there is an added feeling of being in alignment with who you truly are. And being willing to embrace the qualities of that life, whatever those qualities are. As you heal from the momentum of your past, as you heal from the trauma of your past, the heartbreak, all of the flaws, all of the shortcomings of being a human being imperfect, and beginning to really recognize the patterns and the cycles of your life. It's really coming from that place of reflection that allows you to integrate into becoming the person who you've always been. The person who you are also becoming. So let's just take this opportunity to meditate on this together. Slowing down into the moment. Just taking time for yourself. Alongside, in relationship to yourself and your life in this past year. And when you're willing, in the in-breath and the out-breath, to unconditionally be with yourself no matter what. This sets a precedent of the way that Spirit would like to enact in the world. where you're both allowed to be and allowed to belong and allowed to become. Give yourself just that little bit of space, and you relate to yourself from this unconditional place. You move energy in a way that you haven't before. And you can feel encouraged to continue to go forward with the best step. And the best step forward is the one of truth and love, the two wings of the bird. And how much that matters in today's world, to reconnect in an unconditional way to yourself. Give yourself a time every day to begin and reflect as we move into the new year. All of the great saints and sages, all of the great artists and the lovers, all of them point toward the mystery with a capital M. And it's up to us to encourage each other to continue in an unconditional way. Yes. It is saying yes to life. Yes to our true self. And yes to the unfoldment of chapters, the momentum of who we used to be and of who we are and of who we're becoming. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.